Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about the MLA format that's required for essay number 2. Remember, it's not really an essay, it's an academic summary. And so I am inside our D2L section and I'm going to content. I'm going to show you where I added on our essay 2 page a couple of things. This is the assignment for essay 2. I'll change the title, it's just my file name, but I give the instructions for essay number 2 there, so you might want to review that before the draft that is due. And there's my daughter photobombing the video, and she's out of here now, right? 1, 2, 3, go! She's out. Okay, so she's been dying to do that, so thank you guys for letting her do that. So this is the instruction sheet, if you want to look through that so you know what kinds of things I'll be looking for when I grade, but it's pretty much all the stuff I went over tonight. Make sure your summary statements are accurate, make sure you don't have too much detail, don't miss key points. Make sure you have references to the author here and there, add transitions, use some narrative technique to tell the story of the essay. Make sure you add a thesis statement or a statement of purpose at the beginning. Remember, the thesis has 3 parts. You add the author name, title of the source you're summarizing, excuse me, and you give the main point, the overall point of the whole essay. So all of that stuff is in there, what kinds of things I'm looking for when I grade. And then this is the version of the summary that we looked at in class. The changes are still inside the document. Lots of colors, but I put all the, what all the colors mean at the end. And then remember, here's the in-text citation. I'll just review that with you very quickly. At the very end, the last summary statement, you're going to put your parentheses. And inside the parentheses, the starting page, a hyphen, and the ending page. And then a period will go on the outside. So that's the in-text citation for just the academic summary because it's a print source. And we've already told the name of the author. We've already told the name of the article. So the only information we're going to put in our summary are the page numbers to record the starting page and the ending page. Then the works cited entry is on the page that I told you in class. And I'm not remembering what that page is. I want to say it's 736. Does that sound right, guys? But here's the example entry that we looked at in class together. It is an essay in an anthology. This is the example. Excuse me again. So I'm just going to go over what this information is. Author's last name, comma, first name. So for our dog essay, obviously this is the one we're using for that dog essay summary we've been working on in class, but you guys are going to have to use your author's name. This is going to be your source's title. The gun essay, the Malcolm X essay, whichever one, your lies essay. You put the article title inside quotation marks. There's a period here. Title of the textbook. So everyone's print source from the textbook will have italics here for the textbook. Patterns for college writing. It does have a colon because there's a subtitle, a rhetorical reader and guide. Comma. So remember, we have period after author, period after article, comma after every other piece of information after the second title. 13th edition, ED is the abbreviation for edition. Edited by, these 2 people's names are the editors from the very front of the book on the cover. Bedford St. Martin's, you can see that also on the cover or on the title page. This is on the copyright page. 2015 is the copyright date for this textbook. And the PP is the abbreviation for pages in the new MLA format. And you're going to again capture the beginning page of where your essay is located in the textbook and then the ending page. So notice that this page range and the page range in the in-text citation are exactly the same. Don't forget to have your MLA format as we went over in class with the title and the running header and the heading here. And the body of this should be double spaced. I just didn't double space it for class because I wanted to save paper. But you should have that double spaced. All right, so we've gone over the in-text citation, and the in-text citation and the works cited entry match by page number for a book source or a print source. Have a nice night, guys, and I hope you have an interesting time, maybe a little bit of a fun time, but definitely a good learning experience as you revise your summaries for Wednesday. Bye. More photobombing.